Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Carlos Santiago.
And we're a Vocal Lab Collective. What up, Carlos?
What up, what up, what's up? I used to have a math teacher that would say, his name, Mr. Lockett, and he would walk in the classroom and he would be like, what's up, what's up, what's up? He was very, very cool, taught us geometry. Can't remember any of that to save my life.
Did you all have a response when he would do that? We're all like, yo, 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 yo.
Yeah, we were not great kids. Okay. I mean, I was, but I don't know. But
what's the craziest thing that you and your class ever did to a teacher? Or the funniest thing? You like do pranks and stuff on your teacher.
We had a teacher, chemistry teacher, who had he was kind of the stereotypical, I really feel bad now that I'm older, but he was kind of the stereotypical nerdy chemistry teacher who had the really high-waisted pants. He was way too heavy, and he also had a toupee on. Mm. And he talked a little bit like this. And so one day, this one kid screamed from the back of the class, like, toupee! He screamed that out because he wanted to make him feel like his headpiece was falling off. And the poor teacher, as soon as he heard that, he went like this, and had to hold his hairpiece. And the whole, you know this, the whole point of a headpiece is to not have people notice.
Yeah, right.
But back then, this is early 2000s, they were really bad. Now people can tell, you can't tell, but this is fake.
That's all fake hair.
My dad calls this Lego hair. He says that you can just take it off and put it somewhere else. And so, but anyway, so that's one of the worst things that we did. And obviously my school had threats and kids.
Oh yeah, we always had.
Yeah.
One time we were, my high school, they tore it down, unfortunately, not long ago, 2 years ago, to build a new one. But it was the second oldest high school in Kentucky. And we were on the third floor. There were 3 stories in the main front part that was really beautiful, really old. We're on the third floor, and there was a big lawn in front. Mm-hmm. And we loved our history teacher. Still do this day. I'll see him at Christmas. Every year, we'll all of us get together. But Mr. Cooper was his name. So we're in Mr. Cooper's class, and he was just a fun guy. And he was doing something weird. He was on the board one day writing, and every time he would turn around, I don't even know who, someone had the idea, let's wad up paper balls, and every time he turns around, we're going to throw them out the window. So 30, 40 of us, every time we turn around, we throw them out. It looked like snow outside, you guys. And then about close to the end of the class, I see custodians out on the lawn picking up trash bags. Next thing I know, principal's at the door knocking with the custodians and the trash bags. And they're like, Mr. Cooper, can you tell us what's going on up here? He had no clue.
Oh my gosh.
No clue. I think he even took up for us. He was like, no, I haven't seen anything.
I'll take a little sip of coffee to Mr. Coop.
Mr. Coop, he's a good one. Fun guy.
Yeah, hey. You know what else is a fun guy or a fun gal? Who? Someone who hits a subscribe.
Oh, yeah, those are our favorites. Hit that subscribe.
Listen to the podcast.
Yeah, push that share button. Let people know what fun we have over here at the Vocal Lab. And
comment.
Yeah.
Especially on this video. Who are we watching today?
Today, we're going back to our favorite Brazilian, Gabriel Henrique.
Yes.
And it's going to be fantastic. We know this guy's voice. We are always blown away by what he brings us. This was a suggestion from you guys in those comments, so know that it happened, and we are doing it. I want to know what love is. Actually, we've had a few suggestions for this.
I want to know.
All right, out the gate. Come on. That was stupid.
It's so dumb. I don't even want to watch it.
I don't either. That's all I need to see.
A little time to think this over. I better read between the lines. In case I need it when I
think it's rare to hear male vocals today be buttery in a very tenor timbre like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
That has been hiding.
Secret weapon of his.
I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I've been traveling too far. But chance this long.
pull us in.
I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. Hey, I gotta take a little time to look around me.
Sorry.
I've got nowhere left to hide. It looks like love has finally found me. Oh, in my life, there's been hurt and the pain. I don't know if I can face it again.
The runs up are so hard.
No. Jam this lonely life.
Yeah. Dude, you can quit it now. I'm gonna beat you with this horse whip because I don't know what else to do but beat both of us to death because that was insanity. Are the what even happened?
I don't know. And this is early him.
Yes.
This is like early, and he's just kept leveling up. And it's just like,
I don't even know what those notes were. I don't even want to know.
Yeah.
I don't want to know.
He sang every note in the alphabet.
I think he did.
It's just unbelievable.
That literally was, I'm shocked we haven't listened to that one yet because honestly, that may be one of, I'm just trying to go through the Rolodex of the songs we've seen of his. That may be one of the best that I've seen.
Agreed.
Because, like you point out, those little runs up, that is so hard, and you don't hear that very often either.
Nope.
And his ability, what stood out to me is Gabriel's ability to make the most daring, risky, and tricky artistic decisions happen, like those little runs, yet it seems so seamless and flawless and like it's nothing. It's just unbelievable. And then those whistle tones up to the top, I mean, it's just, I'm done. I'm literally done.
I can't say anything. There's nothing I can say. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm continually, it's like I'm traveling, I'm being amazed as I travel back in time because obviously this is an older video and so it's just like, it's just crazy.
It's so crazy. And a coaching point for you guys out there is this. We've said it many times. We say it often inside of one-on-one coaching sessions. Whoever you are out there, you're wanting to sing, listen to great singers of young and old.
Yeah.
This guy is so good, not only because he has an amazing talent and a natural gifting for this thing, but he has studied the greats before him, just like all the people that sings the songs that he sings. So, and that's nothing against what is happening today in pop music, because I love it, but great singing by and large happened in decades before with everyone, right? By and large. So that's my soapbox on that. Study the legends. Study the legends. And he's definitely becoming a legend in his own right.
For sure. Yep.
Wow.
That's it.
Carlos, we may never do another reaction again. We may never sing another song again.
Agreed.
In fact, after I beat him with this horsewhip, this may be the end you see of Carlos.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay alive for the rest of the Vocal Lab team.
Yeah.
Just to make sure things are safe and cared for. But
Yep.
Carlos, it's been fun having you alive.
Yep. Thanks so much.
Thanks for killing us, Gabriel.
Yep.
We really appreciate your gift. Until next time, we will do more. I'm Jason Catrone.
And I'm Old Yeller.
We are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Collective.